A divorce in Alabama is the legal splitting up of a legal marriage. That may sound really simple, but for a long time there was a common law marriage, and we don't have that anymore. So if you are married to a spouse, man or woman, you must file for divorce and go through the legal process where a judge enters an order saying you are no longer married. And until you do that, doesn't matter how long you're separated, you're not divorced. There are still a lot of grounds for divorce in Alabama, even though on a practical level, most of them don't get mentioned in your judgment of divorce. Adultery, abuse, drug or alcohol abuse, abandonment, those are all statutory grounds for divorce. But most commonly, what you see is irreconcilable differences, which can mean almost anything. Alabama is a no-fault divorce state. You can get divorced for any reason or no reason. The reason officially being that you have irreconcilable differences and your marriage is irretrievably broken. That's the language that will be used to say that y'all really don't get along anymore. Divorce in Alabama is on a spectrum. It can take as little as 30 days. You don't even have to be physically separated during those 30 days. So from the day you file, 30 days later, you can be divorced if you have agreed on every single thing. Most of the time, though, if you don't agree on everything and you go through a normal divorce process, you should expect it to take between 9 months and a year. You can absolutely get a divorce in Alabama if your spouse does not agree. It does not have to be by consent of the parties. You have the right to not stay married to a person who you no longer wish to be married to.